Guys, it's finally here. It's finally here. It's finally here. Yes. It's finally here. Guys, welcome back to my Mundo. My name is Raymond, and yes, I am your toy photographer. And for today's video, I'll be sharing another toy review vlog. So this one's really, a non-edited vlog. I just got home from work, and it's been a while since I posted something. And I think it's fitting to share with you my latest purchase. Just be setting up my table, and then I'll start unboxing this precious thing I got here. Raymond, I am your toy photographer, and yes, as I have said in my intro, for today's video, I'm going to do a review of this new action figure that I got. So this is the Ravager Thor from the new Thor movie, Thor: Love and Thunder from Marvel Studios. So let's proceed with the video. Okay, so this is it, guys. So I actually waited for not really 2 months, but at least a month. The month the most for this thing to arrive. So let's start opening this baby up. Again, I'm very particular with my health, so I'm spraying everything with my trusty alcohol. Better safe than sorry. So this one's packed really well. So I got this from Hobby Corner PH. So I'll be sharing more later. So let's jump right in. There's my trusty scissors. Sorry about the panda. Okay, so we're back. Okay, so spraying, and let's pull this thing out of its box. Then this is wrapped nicely. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this box here. So here he is. I'm going to spray again. Somehow I think you'll have an idea of what this figure is. So let's jump right in and open this baby. Because I've been waiting for months for this thing. Oh, this is so tight. I commend the store for what was that? Other thing. Oh yes, baby. Here he is. So again, I'm going to spray. Yep. Here it is, guys. Ooh, my Marvel Legends Thor. Here you go, guys. From Marvel Legends from Hasbro. This is my Ravager Thor. So this one's without the BAF parts. So let's look at the side before we open it. So this is a really Marvel Legends looking box. So in front you'll see Ravager Thor in all his glory. And in the sides, a beautiful illustration of Chris Hemsworth as Ravager Thor. In the back, you'll see another pose and all of the characters that are part of this build-a-figure of Korg. So just a short description about Ravager Thor. And your warnings, the Marvel logo, the Hasbro logo here. Below, more information and barcode. And in the side, another image of Chris Hemsworth as Ravager Thor. So let's open this baby here. So I'm really planning on getting other characters from this set, but I'm not planning on completing everything. That's just me. I'm not really, into getting whole toy sets. But yes, let's unbox this beauty. Ladies and gentlemen, here's Ravager Thor. So let's take him out of the box. Ooh, this one's soft. I didn't realize it was that soft. I mean, you saw it, guys. It was kind of wiggly. So this is his weapon. It's kind of soft. I didn't realize that it was this soft. And yes, here is my Ravager Thor from the movie Thor Love and Thunder. So I have an issue right now because it seems like it doesn't really stand well, but I guess just because I just pulled him out of the box. But this is a really nice looking leather jacket. So his face, damn, he really looks like Chris Hemsworth. So it has a nice sculpted shirt, great looking pants, and now we'll try to balance this thing out. So I think it's because of the articulation. Yes. I don't know why it looks kind of weird right now, but we'll figure out later. So let's check on the joints. So this one's double jointed on the knee. The joints here go up and down. There's no swivel to the sides, but you can do that with the shoe. Yep. Same as his foot here. So let's see how far he could kick. Up to this far only. And backwards, just up to that leg. As for his arms, you can rotate them on full 360. Let's check on his armpits. Yep, you can do that. Let's check on his arm reach. Oh, yep, it can go that far. Not so much on this arm. As for his hands, his joints, can only do this. And for the other, yep, same. Overall, this is a good looking figure. So I'll just try to make it stand firmly because I think there really is something weird about this figure, but maybe just because of the way I pulled it out of the box. Oh, there you go. Okay guys, so here's Ravager Thor side by side with Captain America and of course Spider-Man. So it's pretty scaled, it's pretty accurate to what we see in the movies. So there you go. So again, overall, this is a really nice looking figure and I'm really happy with it. So let's check on its close up and see the details. There you go. So as you can see, this face is so badass. It really looks like Chris Hemsworth from Thor, so it has a really nice rocker vibe. So I decided to get this figure because I wanted something that, that I want a Thor that looks really cool and yet so close to how Chris Hemsworth looks like. So this is my only Thor figure as of now. Well, I don't really have duplicates of my other stuff, but yes, this will be my Thor that I will be putting on my display. So guys, this is my simple setup for my Thor toy photography. So I post him that way. I just got a random background from the internet and used it as my backdrop for this image. So this is what it's going to look like on my camera. It's also recording, so okay, so now let's try and take a shot of that particular image. So I'm using manual and here's my settings. Okay, I need to focus on the face. You need to make sure that the eyes are focused when taking your shot. So I'm adjusting the focus. Okay, so let's go.
And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this one. I promise I'll be back with more fun and creative content for all of you guys. Please subscribe to my socials on Instagram. They're all here. So I have separate pages for my artwork, for my portrait photography, and for my toy photography. And of course, I have a separate one for my personal stuff. And please, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications to get more updates from me. Please bear with me. Vlogging really isn't easy, but I'm trying my best to come up with new content once in a while. So please follow and share my page to your friends, to those people who love toys like me. And I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye!